Hi, in today's lesson, I'm going to take you through the steps that are taken when you're building an online business. You may be thinking of starting an online business, or you have an online business, but you have not yet automated it. So, in this video, I'm going to take you through everything that you need to know and have so that you can have an automated business that runs behind the scene and a business that is automated, meaning you can make money even without doing much. You just set it and it works for you. Okay. So the first thing that you need to have is a product. You might be the owner of that product. You may be a coach. You may be having physical products that you sell. You may be having templates that you sell, or you could be an affiliate marketer. That means you're selling products that belong to someone else. And so you need to take these steps so that you set it up and it works for you without you having to do everything about it every day. All you just need to do is go out there, campaign, promote, and the rest is done for you by this system. Okay, so you need to have a product, whether it's yours or not, but you have a product. The next thing that you need to do is to create a landing page. This is where you will be sending your prospects. This is the first encounter with your audience. The landing page could be your website. You have a website, and so you have created a page where you'll be sending people to learn more about this product that you're selling, or you are working with a template, a software that has a template. So you send people there and you're able to make them get more interested in whatever that you're selling. Then you, at this point, this is where we encourage people not to send people directly to the products. And how do you go about it? The first thing you do, or what works best, is you give them a freebie, you give them something so that you're able to get their email address, and you can always use that email to talk to them, engage with them further, and take them through the funnel until to the point where they're comfortable buying from you. So here you are, you have a landing page, you've taken their email address. The next thing is now start the email sequence. So if, for example, it's a download that you've attached, the next the first sequence will be an email saying thank you for downloading the ebook, for example, and then also indicating within that email, put in your social media handles saying like, hi, let's be friends. And then you put in your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, links there. And also, you can tell them, hey, we have this, would you be interested in? You can even start to upsell immediately at that point. So, meaning when they download your ebook, they like what you have, they want to learn more, they will go back to the email and click the link that you left there so that they can learn more. Then you are able, since you already have their email, you will be able to start doing the email sequence. So you can do the first email, the second email, the third email, just talking to them, engaging to them, upselling, telling them more about your product. And when they feel confident that they want to buy from you, they will, of course, buy from you. And here we can see someone clicking on buy there and then adding to cart, and you're making a sale. And this whole system is automated. We call this a sales funnel. So, what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is a model where you take through the customer's journey from the initial awareness. Maybe they came across your products or your service from an ad that you placed, maybe from social media, from a referral, or from Google, and then they decided to take a look. And here you are, you've enticed them with a freebie, a free ebook, a free guide, a free video series. And so they've opted in. So you already now have them. Now, the thing that you need to do, as we said, is take them through the email sequence. And then finally, when they make a decision, they will be able to buy from you. And so you've taken them through the sales funnel. Now, what options or what do we have in the market that can help us create this kind of a funnel? We have different providers who have different pricing, different features, and for me, what has worked for me and what I guide my followers and my customers to work with is a system called System.io. It's definitely, they say that it's the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform, and honestly, this is a very easy platform for everyone to use, whether you're a beginner, whether you're just getting started, whether you're already with other platforms that you feel are not meeting your needs, or even in terms of cost, in terms of experience, and you want to move. System.io is a very good system that we let you create funnels, email automations, workflow. You can even create affiliate marketing within it. You can have people market for you within it and manage it within the system.io. You can also be able to create courses and a lot more. And the good thing about this is that you can even get started at no cost. You can get us started at no cost. When you like it and your business grows, then you can sign up, get to premium, and even get more benefits as a paid member. If you're interested in joining System.io, I have left a link at the description. Sign up, it's free to sign up, and go ahead and create your first funnel, take people through the sequence, and receive payment within the System.io, and you will be happy that you did this, because once you set it up, it will do everything for you, even when you're asleep, when you're on holiday, when you're in the field playing with kids. Yeah, this is a good system that I wanted to introduce to you and help you build your online business, automate it, and relax and let everything roll. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we're going to look at how to promote your business and send people to your platform or to your system.io page. Thank you.